How to install Office apps from Office 365 for students. From the COD homepage, click on My COD. From the My COD Student Portal, click on the My COD Student Portal Login button. This takes you to your mycod.us portal page. In the Quick Launch area on the right-hand side, click on the mycod.us email icon. Select the App Launcher in the upper left corner of the window. Then, to the right of the App Launcher, click on Office 365 link. Enter your mycod.us password. Click the Sign In button. You are now in Office 365. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, select Install Office. Select the first option, Office 365 Apps. To download Office apps, just a few more steps window appears. As the installer is downloaded in the lower left of the window, click on the installer and the apps start to install. Congratulations! You now have the Office apps on your computer.